Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on that device. So let's first open the settings application, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration, then scroll down to default notification sound, click here once and switch currently notification sound to another one. Also we can add here the custom notification sound, but how to do that, just find another video on our HardReset YouTube channel. I'll show you just how to switch the default ones. For example, select one of these, click here to OK, and now we can see here the message that this notification sound has changed successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.